4 12s, 2 15s, and 1 18 for right now.
Wow, 7 subs. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
I'm Chris Robertson, aka Freakenstein, for my builds. You got Scar, 15 heart. You got the Atari Tex. They're 9 heart RMS a piece, 12s and the 15.
You can have people sit in the back seat right here too.
Yes.
Sweet.
That's called the Death Zone.
The Death Zone.
Yes,
Oh my gosh.
Everybody says it locks them up back there. Watch it back there.
So what's your quantity count total for subs?
Right now it's 4 12s, 2 15s, and 1 18 for right now.
Wow, 7 subs.
And once I get some more up, I'm going with Torotech 8s on the doors.
Okay.
Subs.
Yep.
I'm gonna sub
Yeah,
out
there's
my
your
doors.
port there too.
Yeah,
So is there a port on all of these boxes?
Port.
And you can open this up for a different frequency.
Frequency, the bottom opens up for different frequencies.
Genius. That's a good
And
idea.
then the back box, yesterday, like I was saying, I destroyed the whole thing,
Yes, sir.
rebuilt it last night.
Okay.
And I had a bucket between it sharing port.
Okay. Yep.
Side A was equal
Yeah, got
inside
it.
and stuff outside. Now they're fighting air on the outside instead of the inside.
Okay.
So it's open port on the back side of this box.
Okay.
On the 12 box.
Got it. Yes, sir.
No, they ain't interlocked anymore.
Got it. Yes, sir.
It's all open ports.
Okay.
Alright, so
I'd love to hear it.
let me get down to my low. I'll start with my low. It's pretty decent at, we'll start at 25 and I'll work my way up.
All right.
Don't worry about the smell, I'm used to it. Sometimes it takes a minute for the speaker to adjust for air pressure.
So you have different bandwidth depending on how you react with your ports as well as the different subwoofers. So that's pretty cool. Have you ever done, what was your highest SPL score you ever got?
Right now I'm at 145.5.
Okay.
But today, since I rebuilt it, we don't know yet.
Yes,
so
sir.
I start playing with the ports and getting over there.
Dial it in, got it.
Yeah, he'd say I can play all day.
Okay, thank you very much.
No problem, man.
Can I see the back real quick?
Yeah. And believe it or not, that's everything turned down except the game. Yeah, I like to carry my tires, so that's why I put it on.
Nice. So you got 4 batteries back here.
Yeah, one up front. Got a charger for when I'm at the house.
Okay.
And all that stuff. Got 2 fans and that little
Awesome. Good job, man. Thank you.
No problem.
So that amps on all your subs.
Holds all my subs. They're at 1 ohm. All you want, everything's 4 ohm, right?
Dual 4?
Dual 4, but the Scar. And that's at 2 ohm.
Got it.
I wired it all down to 1 ohm.
Okay. Appreciate it, man. Very different. Open this up for a different frequency.
Extended catalog 0 to 60 class.
Okay.
Alright, so
Competitive standby.
going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.